Car number 1, 1961 Rambler Custom Classic, $5,000. Located in Mapleton, Oregon, this 1961 Rambler Custom Classic is a gem that runs smoothly and comes with a list of recent updates. Sporting a unique green exterior and a manual transmission with overdrive, this beauty has 155,000 miles and includes fresh tires, a fuel pump, starter, muffler, and water pump. It even has seats that fold down into a bed, making it a cool option for those retro road trips. The body is nearly perfect and all the original hubcaps are intact. Clean title, ready for a new home. Car number 2, 1959 Plymouth Fury Christine, $4,999. This vintage 1959 Plymouth Fury, located in Imperial Beach, California, brings classic horror movie vibes with its all-original charm. Painted in buckskin beige, the four-door Fury features a straight body with no rust and a patina that's sure to catch some looks. It runs on a 318 V8 engine with a manual 3-speed transmission. The interior is a unique green and the tires are new. Priced at $4,999, this is a rare chance to own a piece of Hollywood-inspired history. Car number 3, 1963 Ford Fairlane 2-door Post V8, $4,490. This solid blue 1963 Ford Fairlane, listed in San Diego, California, is equipped with a 289 V8 engine and an automatic floor shifter. It's in great running condition with newer Flowmaster mufflers for that classic rumble. Floor pans are solid, and it's ready to roll for just $4,499. This Fairlane offers a great foundation for a classic Ford project. Car number 4, 1968 Ford Thunderbird Super Coupe, $4,000. Located in Santa Cruz, California, this 1968 Ford Thunderbird Super Coupe is priced to move. With an original 429 engine that runs smoothly, it's already had recent updates like new tires, upgraded alternator, electric window motors, and a rebuilt transmission. While it could use some paint and minor bodywork, this T-Bird is a great project for only $4,000. Car number 5, 1960 Ford F100 Long Bed, $3,888. Find this clean white 1964 Ford F100 Long Bed in Nampa, Idaho. Under the hood is a stock 292 V8 engine, though it needs a new starter to get running. This truck is all original, with the original chrome pieces intact. The F100 holds a special place in classic truck history, and with its clean title, it's a solid find at $3,888. Car number 6, 1966 Ford F100, $4,950. This gray 1966 Ford F100 short bed fleet side, available in Lockford, California, is equipped with a 352 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's running well with an odometer reading of 86,704 miles and features new tires and a salvage title. For $4,950, it's a fantastic truck for any classic pickup enthusiast. Car number 7, 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $3,000. Available in Hachapai, California, this 1966 Ford Thunderbird comes with a recent engine tune-up, new brakes, and other upgrades. Sporting a blue exterior and a clean title, this T-Bird is ready for a new owner at $3,000. It even includes a new set of rotors and various spare parts, making it a good choice for a restoration project. Car number 8, 1963 Chrysler 300 Pace-Setter Convertible, $3,400. Check out this rare 1963 Chrysler 300 Pace-Setter Convertible located in Casa Grande, Arizona. Running on a 383 big block V8 engine with push-button automatic transmission, this classic convertible needs some TLC in terms of rust repair. But with a price of $3,400, it's a fantastic find for a convertible project with tons of potential. Car number 9, 1965 Mercury Parklane Breezeway, $3,500. In Ventura, California, this 1965 Mercury Parklane Breezeway is a unique project with a classic breezeway rear window. With 58,402 miles on the odometer and a 390 V8 engine, this car offers plenty of vintage charm and interior space. It's not currently running but comes with a clean title listed at $3,500. Car number 10, 1963 Mercury Comet, $800. This budget-friendly 1963 Mercury Comet in Hammond, Indiana is listed as a barn find, and although it needs some floor panel work, it has a strong frame and runs well. It has a straight 6-engine manual transmission and even includes a 4-door parts car for extra components. For only $800, this is a solid project starter. Whether you're looking for a project car or a drivable classic, these finds are packed with potential. Which one is calling your name? Let us know your favorite classic.